Okay, people. Now, I'm doing a video. It's not a car video as usual. We're going to do a video about work boots. You know, I work a lot of hours. You know, diesel mechanic, car mechanic, plumber, carpenter, electrician. Do a lot of different jobs. So I'm in my boots anywhere from 15, sometimes I work 24 hours, 7 days a week, just a lot of hours in my boots. Okay, so I'm gonna start off now. I had these boots about a year. I didn't really work them as hard as I did these other boots, but you can see the wear on them. This is not a good work boot. Sole's pretty good still, but the air bubble has went flat. As you can see, the leather around here is weak, worn out, ripping, hole inside of it. But I mean, and then you can see how they form. You see how they curl up there. At this point, they're uncomfortable to wear. Okay, so I mean, decent, not the best. Now these are Nike boots, actually, too. These are Nikes. Now I paid $200 and something for these boots. Okay, so whatever. Now these are skechers. These are Skecher boots. I bought these boots from Amazon for like $59. This is not a waterproof boot, but it is. It's not a waterproof boot, but it is a waterproof boot. I've worked in water up to here in these boots, and none came through. Good sole. I've probably worked these boots about 10 months, hard. Outdoors, a lot of truck driving. A lot of plumbing was done in these boots. A lot of mechanic. You can see they're not even curled up as bad at the toe from all the wear on these boots. So these would be my second pick of boots, and they're still fairly intact. No rips, nothing. Inside still good. For $69, you can't beat it. Okay, then we come to the Brunts. I bought these boots about 9 months ago. Ran across their website. Work boots for $150 or whatever. That's how much these cost. I have wore these work boots for 9 months every single day. Like I said, 15 hours, 24 hours, plumbing, auto mechanic, whatever, you name it, I wear these boots. Just did a plumbing job, snake job, had water up to here. Waterproof, dry feet. These are my #1 pick of boots. So good still after 9 months going to work every day, all day. Still comfortable. You notice no toe curl in the front. They're still flat. No, compared to the rest of these that toe curl. Still flat boots. 100% waterproof, and they are extremely, extremely comfortable. And one thing they don't do, which these do pretty bad, is give you sweaty socks. These boots don't really give you this. Your socks will sweat a little bit moderately, not that bad, not as bad as these. But these, no sweaty socks. And the insole, I don't know what type of material it is, but they are comfortable. It's like wearing a pair of gym shoes. So if you want a good work boot, you working hard like me, doing any and everything, work, trying to make a living, get you a pair of these. They are worth every single penny. So I would recommend these. Waterproof. They can stand up to any conditions. These are good too. Like I said, for the value, $60. These are the most expensive of the three. And you know, I wouldn't buy anymore. That's just me. I guess they're a stylish boot. They're a cool boot. You can walk around, maybe do some security in. But as far as working, number one, number two.